Hi, and welcome to this video on creating histograms using the SjPlot library. So let's get started. We'll be using these three libraries, SjPlot, GGPLOT2, and Wakefield. And after that, we would need to create some sample data, and I'm going to use the Wakefield package to create our sample data. And here is the command. So using the Wakefield command, I'm going to create 10,000 rows of data, and I want to have some patient IDs and the age and the height. So if I complete this code, I get 10,000 rows of data using three variables. So let's see the data on screen. So here we go, patient ID or PAT ID, age, and the height. We can increase the number of rows which we want to see. I'm seeing the first 20 rows of this data. So let's start. Here we go, plot underscore frequency or plot underscore freq from the SjPlot library. I can append the name of the library in the front. That's my favorite way of doing it, because if you have too many packages, then sometimes it gets confusing. So here we go. It's basically a bar chart. You can see that each and every height is being plotted. So to convert this into a histogram, all we need to do is put type equals H or histogram. So a histogram converts this data into different bins and then counts the frequency of the number of elements which are within that bin and then plots it. And this is what we get. So instead of writing type equals H, I could have actually expanded it and said type equals histogram, which is exactly the same thing. So let's try to change the bin widths. And to change the bin width, here's the command. We are using the geom size equals 1, 2, 3, or whatever you feel like based on your data. We can also change the fill color of the histogram bars by using this command. And you can see that your colors are going to change. Our chart would be more meaningful if we can show the mean value. And here we go. All we have to say is show.mean equals true. And suddenly we get the mean and the standard deviation. And also we have the shadowed line showing the mean and then the standard deviations on both sides. A chart would look more meaningful if we are able to add a normal curve or superimpose this normal curve on our existing chart. So how do we do that? All we have to do is use the same command and then add one more argument there. Normal.curve equals true. And there we go. We have a bell-shaped curve. We can enhance this a bit further. For example, I can add this command, normal.curve.color, and let's make it green. We can control the thickness of the normal curve by using normal.curve.size. I've put 2 there. Let's see what 2 does. So the green bell-shaped curve is a bit thicker. I can make it more thick using curve size equals 5. You can also control the transparency of the bell-shaped curve by using the alpha values 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 up to 1. 1 being the maximum. So let's start finalizing our chart. To make it publication ready, I'm going to put some more commands there. Basically, the SjPlot gives an output which is a GGPLOT2 object, which is very useful. So using this command, I'm creating the plot object called PL. So if I do that, I have an object which is basically a GGPLOT2 object. I can print it if I want. So let's add all these commands, which are basically the labels. I'm saying title, subtitle, caption, x-axis label, y-axis label, and also controlling the width or the break width on the x-axis as well as on the y-axis using different commands. Let's start theming our chart. So I can use different built-in themes. So SjPlot has some built-in themes which we can try and see. So let's try these themes from SjPlot 2 package, theme blank, theme SjPlot, and theme SjPlot 2. And there are some slight differences between each. We can also use the GGPLOT 2 themes as well. So all these themes can be implemented. Now there's another dedicated package which caters to different themes, so it's called GGPLOT, and it's supposed to have some publication ready themes, so we can make use of that. And there we go. Let's sample some themes. And similar to the GGPLOT theme, there's also another package called GG themes which we can use, and it has a lot of themes which we can try. So let's try them one by one. You can make use of one theme and then start customizing them according to your needs. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.